Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to do formatting in a single click. Yes, it is possible by using macros. If you are performing repetitive tasks, then macros is the best option that you could think of. You can record the task that you are performing and save it for a future use. But make sure that you don't mess it up because each and every click that you do gets recorded. But do not worry if you mess it up, you can always delete it. Now in this case, this is how I need my data to look like. I'm talking about the formatting part. And I'm going to perform this particular task every month. So you can see in February and March, there is no formatting done. So we'll do this formatting by recording a macro. So in order to record a macro, you can either click on this record macro button that is located here, or you can select record a macro by making use of developer tab. If in case you're not finding developer tab, you need to activate it. So in order to activate, just right click anywhere on the ribbon, click on this customize ribbon option, and you can see this developer tab option. If in case it's not activated, just check this and then do OK. Now you can see there is a record macro button. So just click on that record macro in order to record. So once you click on this record macro, this particular dialog box appears. You can give the macro name, the shortcut key and the description if you want. As of now, I'm not giving anything. I'm just leaving as it is in order to show you some minor difference and then give OK. So once I give OK, now the macro has been recording. You can see here it's there as stop recording. Now I'm not going to do anything. To show you some difference, I'll just apply the border. I'll just select the range of data. I'll go with home, and here I'll just click as the border option, and then I'll go with this all border option. So again I'll go with this developer tab and I'll click on this stop recording option. Once I click on stop recording option, now whatever changes have made has been recorded. Now I'll go to March sheet. I want that particular macro to be run. So from developer tab, click on this macros tab, and then this is the macro that we have recorded, and then just click on run. Once you click on run option, automatically whatever the changes that you have applied has been applied here. But you need to observe this, that the border has been applied only till the 6th row. Why? Because in Feb sheet I have selected the data only till the 6th row. So that is the reason I'm getting border like this. So in order to overcome this, there is one particular step that you need to take care of, and that is what we are going to look at now. So I'll delete the macro. Just click on this macros tab, select it, and then click on this delete option. Now I'll delete it. Now again I'll go with this record macro option. So I'll click on this record macro. In this case, I'll give the shortcut as Ctrl A. Description, I'm not giving anything, and just give OK. So in order to overcome the previous problem that we faced, by holding Ctrl and Shift key, press the down arrow, and again by holding the Ctrl and Shift key, press the right arrow, so that only how much our data is there, that gets selected. Now quickly we'll do the formatting. I'll go with home. I'll quickly apply the border. I'll just go with the all borders option. This sales target, I need it in between A and B. So from home, you can either go with this merge and center, or the shortcut key is Alt HMC. And I need this heading to be bold. So I'll select the entire thing and I'll give the shortcut as Ctrl B. And to this, I'll apply the fill color. So there is fill color option. So I'll just select the any color, and I'll just fill color for these headings. So I'll just go with the lighter shade. So I'll make sure that the data has been center aligned again by holding Ctrl Shift and down arrow, and again Ctrl Shift and right arrow. So I'm giving this center align option. So it is aligned to center, and then this actual sales part I'll format to include comma style. So just press Ctrl 1 from your keyboard and go with this number and make this decimal places to 0 if you do not require any decimal portion, and also check this use thousand separator option and then give OK. Now I'm all done with my formatting, so I'll just click on the stop record. Now I'm all set. My macro has been recorded. Now we need to check if this macro is working properly or not. So I'll go with this April sheet. So you can observe that there is no formatting done. So the shortcut key that I have given in order to perform macro is Ctrl A. Make sure that you place the cursor at the cell A1, because when I recorded the macro, the cell was here. So I'll just give the shortcut Ctrl A. You can see within seconds the formatting has been performed. So I'll go with this May. Make sure you place the cursor here and just give Ctrl A. You can see exactly the formatting has been performed. So I'll even format the Feb month. Just give Ctrl A and then the formatting has been done perfectly. So this is the useful feature that you could think of in Excel. But if you want to use this macro, the same formatting option when you come back or when you open Excel again, you need to save this particular file as a macro enabled file. If you save it as a normal Excel file, now you can observe here I have saved it as macros. If I close this, the macro recorder will not be applicable when you open the Excel workbook the next time. So if you want this macro to be enabled, just give the shortcut F12 in order to save as. So if in case you're saving for the first time, just give Ctrl S. Now in this you can observe there is save as type. In this save as type, select it as Excel macro enabled workbook and then give save. So once you give this, you can make sure that the next time that you're using, you can still make use of this macro by giving the shortcut Ctrl A. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching my video. If you are watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon for further updates.